The VW Jetta GLI is equipped with a 3.6 LV6 engine that produces 280 horsepower with FSI direct injection and DOHC. Its narrow-angle V6 design allows for a compact engine size that can be easily mounted in smaller vehicles. This powerful engine is designed with performance in mind and is perfect for car enthusiasts looking for some extra kick under the hood. Additionally, the 3.6 LV6 engine is compatible with various transmission options and can be used in a range of chassis designs, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's engine. When comparing the VW Jetta GLI 3.6 LV6 engine with other VW engines, it is important to note that VW has a long history of building ordinary family cars and not sports cars. The majority of VW engines are four-cylinder single overhead cam engines with 2 valves per cylinder and are not remarkable in terms of performance. However, the 3.6 LV6 engine is a step towards more power, and when paired with the right transmission and chassis, can be a powerful option. It is important to consider factors such as fuel efficiency and brake system upgrades when comparing engines. You'll be impressed with the performance and power output of the VW Jetta GLI 3.6 LV6 engine. With its 200 horsepower, it offers solid acceleration and lets you confidently maneuver through turns. It's a great option for those seeking a more spirited driving experience. The V6 engine upgrade also provides a refined, responsive driving experience that would be highly enjoyable for daily commutes or long road trips. So, if you're looking for an engine that delivers a perfect balance of power and performance, this could be the one for you. When considering an engine swap, fuel efficiency should be a major factor to consider. The VW Jetta GLI 3.6 LV6 engine may provide increased power, but it may come at the cost of fuel economy. The average fuel efficiency for this engine is around 22 miles per gallon, which is lower compared to other engines in the same class. If you are looking for an engine swap that can provide both power and better fuel efficiency, it may be best to consider other options on the market. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of any engine swap before making a decision. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. When considering a VW Golf engine conversion, it's important to take into account the chassis compatibility of your car. The conversion process will differ depending on whether your car is a small block MK1 platform car or a MK2 Golf platform car. If you're starting with a MK1 platform car, you'll need to flip the engine mount on the right-hand side chassis leg and weld it back into place in a position to accept the big block engines. For those on the MK2 Golf platform, this modification is not necessary. Make sure to consult with an expert if you're unsure about any chassis modifications. When considering a transmission for your VW Jetta GLI 3.6 LV6 engine, you have a few options to choose from. The standard is a 6-speed automatic transmission, which provides a smooth and effortless driving experience. However, if you're looking for a more dynamic driving experience, the optional 6-speed manual transmission is also available. This option provides a more engaging driving experience with greater control over the vehicle's acceleration and braking. Ultimately, which transmission you choose will largely depend on your personal driving preferences and the desired driving experience. Are you considering an engine conversion for your Volkswagen Jetta or Golf? There are many advantages to upgrading your engine, including increased power and reliability. With modern engine technology such as VR6, R32, 20V Turbo, or TFSI, you can achieve up to 3 or 4 times the original horsepower. Additionally, an engine conversion allows you to customize your car to your desired level of sophistication or raw race car feel. While there are some challenges, such as engine mount modifications, upgrading your brakes, and welding expertise, an engine conversion can be a great option for VW enthusiasts looking to enhance their ride. if you're looking to upgrade your brake system on your VW Jetta GLI 3.6 there are a few options to consider. Upgrading to larger brake discs and calipers can greatly improve braking performance. The StopTech brake kit is a popular option, offering performance rotors and calipers in a variety of sizes. Another option is the Brembo brake kit, which offers even larger discs and high-performance brake pads. Keep in mind that upgrading to larger brakes may limit your choice of wheels, so be sure to check compatibility before making a purchase. Investing in a quality brake kit can greatly improve your VW Jetta GLI's stopping power and overall performance. If you're planning on doing an engine swap on your VW Jetta GLI with a 3.6 V6 engine, you may face some challenges in engine mount modifications. This is because the engine compartment may not be long enough to accommodate larger engines. In addition, flipping over the engine mount on the right-hand side chassis leg may be required if your VW project started life as a small block MK1 platform car, up to 1,300 cc. It is important to do these modifications carefully to ensure the safety and reliability of your vehicle. Consider seeking expert help if necessary. If you own a VW Jetta GLI with a 3.6 V6 engine, you may have experienced fuel injection issues. This can cause the engine to misfire or run rough, which can lead to decreased performance and decreased fuel efficiency. Fortunately, some of these issues may be covered by a warranty or recall from Volkswagen. It's important to get your vehicle checked by a certified mechanic if you experience any issues with fuel injection, as it can affect the overall health of your engine.